Welcome back to Savvypreneurship, the channel dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs with actionable insights and strategies. In this episode, I'm diving into a crucial topic that can make or break your business: intellectual property protection, also referred to as IP. Let's get started. Whether you're a tech startup, a creative agency, or an innovative manufacturing, understanding how to protect your ideas is essential for long term success. Before I delve into the specifics, let's understand why intellectual property, also known as IP, is so important. 1. Competitive advantage. IP protection gives you exclusive rights to your innovations, preventing competitors from copying your ideas. 2. Asset value. Protected IP can become a valuable asset, increasing your company's worth and attracting investors. 3. Revenue generation. You can license or sell your IP, creating additional revenue streams. And 4. Brand protection. IP rights help you safeguard your brand identity and reputation. Let's explore the four main types of IP protection and how they can benefit your business. 1. Trademarks. What they protect are brand names, logos, and slogans. To get one, you file an application with your country's trademark office. Example, think of McDonald's Golden Arches or Nike's Just Do It slogan. 2. Patents. What they protect are new inventions or processes. To get one, file a detailed application with your country's patent office. Example, Apple's patent for the iPhone's touchscreen technology. 3. Copyrights. What they protect are original creative works such as literature, music, art, and software. To get one, it's actually automatic upon creation, but registration provides additional benefits. Example, Disney's copyright on Mickey Mouse character. 4. Industrial design protection. What they protect are unique visual designs of products. To get one, file an application with your country's design office. Example, the distinctive shape of the Coca-Cola bottle. Steps to protect your intellectual property. 1. Identify your IP. Conduct an audit of your businesses to identify all potential intellectual property. 2. Research existing IP. Ensure your ideas don't infringe on existing patents or trademarks. 3. Determine the right protection. Choose the appropriate type of IP protection for each asset. 4. File applications. Submit the necessary applications to the relevant government offices. 5. Maintain confidentiality. Use non disclosure agreements, also known as NDAs, when discussing your ideas with others. And 6. Monitor and enforce. Regularly check for infringements and take action when necessary. Let's look at how Dyson, the innovative appliance company, leverages IP protection. Patents. Dyson holds thousands of patents for its vacuum and air treatment technologies. Trademarks. The Dyson name and logo are protected worldwide. Industrial designs. The unique appearance of Dyson products is protected through design registrations. And copyrights? Dyson's marketing materials and software are copyright protected. By aggressively protecting its IP, Dyson has maintained its competitive edge and built a multi-billion-dollar brand. When it comes to intellectual property, waiting too long is not a good idea. Therefore, don't delay in filing for protection, especially patents. Do sufficient research. Thoroughly search existing IP to avoid any infringement. Overlooking international protection. Consider protecting your IP in key markets abroad. And avoid neglecting trade secrets. Some innovations are better protected as trade secrets than patents. Protecting your intellectual property is not just a legal formality, it's a crucial business strategy that can drive your success and safeguard your innovations. By understanding the different types of IP protection and implementing a comprehensive strategy, you can build a strong foundation for your business's growth and longevity. Thanks for tuning in to Savvypreneurship. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Stay protected and stay savvy.